Good day to everyone. Let's start our English lesson. Please take your books and your copybooks and go to page number 56. And today's our new theme is about the time machine. Listen and repeat.
Be long.
Be long. Ұзақ болу. Быть долгим, длинным.
Blossom.
Blossom. Гүлдеу, цветение.
Chamber.
Chamber. Камера, бұрыш, бөлме. Камера, отсек, комнат. First task. Please read carefully about the biography of Wells. About the biography of Wells. And now, let's watch this video.
The Time Machine.
The time traveller, as I have come to call him since these events, invited me and some of his other friends for dinner at his house.
The machine landed with a bump on the ground. Ouch! What happened?
Let's do the tasks. Exercise 3. Read the passage and choose the correct answer, A, B, or C. Exercise 5. Complete the sentences. Use these words. Please do all these tasks. Good luck to everyone.